So I thought I'd do a bike check on my current bike, which is a TwoFour Bikes Pornking 3. Which has been painted badly, but I am going to strip it down soon. So it's going to be raw, like here. Even though it's just tape. But yeah, it's going to look sick. I've got my Jockey 66 RV ETAs, 160mm travel. I'm waiting for my RockShox domains to come back from the bike shop. Having them both serviced. I've got two sets, 180mm and 160s. Getting them serviced at the moment, so I'm waiting for them to come back. Using these for now. I've got 243 DH stem, which is just beast. Danger Boy top cap, Hope spacer, Chris King 1.5 to 1/1/8 headset, Spank Spoon 785 bars, Avid Juicy 3 SLs. Paid about £40 for them, did a job, they stopped me most of the time. Got 200mm rotors front and back. Mavic EX721 on the front, 26" on a Hope Pro 2 Evo. And I've got a DMR DV rim on the back, gold nipples, and a gold Hope Pro 2 Evo on the back with 10mm bolt on. That's 24". So I've got 26, 24" setup, and 3" rubber on the rear, taking big drops and giving me plenty of grip. They're just sick tyres, they are. Good old Halo contrast, 24x3". I've got 243 racing pedals because I got sick of bending pedals, so I don't think I'll be bending these anytime soon, so I thought I'd put them on. I've got a DMR X-Type crankset, which is just bomb-proof, made out of steel. I've got Middleburn chainring, a YBN half-link chain in green, as you can see. Single speed setup. Can't remember what size it is. I think it's a 34 to 16 on the rear, maybe. I've got a fun seat post, which is pretty nice. Settlaz sofa saddle, which is the same as the Azonic love seat. Azonic used Settlaz saddles and just recovered them with Azonic logos and that. What else I got on it? Oh, Shimano Saint bottom bracket. Needs a proper clean, my bike does, but yeah. What else it got? DMR Def grips. Could do some new ones soon, I think. But they do the job. Got Maxxis Minion DHR front tyre, 26 by 2.50. Yeah, that's it really. It's pretty simple. Nothing really to go wrong. Perfect for doing big hucks and urban freeride, downhill. And just look at it, it looks absolutely crazy. I absolutely love these bikes. Good cassettes on it. The 1.5" head tube. But yeah, I'm gonna raw it soon, so it will be rawed like that. It should look a lot better. And it's got adjustable rear end and everything as well. But yeah, that's my TwoFour Bikes Pornking 3. So let me know in the comments what you think of the bike, and hit the subscribe button, and make sure you've pressed the notifications button as well, or bell, whatever it is, so you don't miss out on any crazy hucks and retro bikes. But yeah, keep shredding, and I'll see you soon.